Welcome to the Weather Centre on Saturday morning. We will see a band of high cloud extend over the western part of South Africa, but with fine and dry weather over the central interior. And then in the northeast, we're expecting mostly cloudy conditions on Saturday with isolated thundershowers. We're forecasting isolated thundershowers through to KwaZulu-Natal and possibly the Eastern Cape by Saturday evening. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see those isolated thundershowers and showers in the northeast. We're also forecasting thundershowers through to KwaZulu-Natal with a slight possibility of rainfall for the Eastern Cape, and that's mainly on Saturday evening, but with a dry forecast in the west. Vredendal tops 33 degrees on Saturday afternoon, with a sizzling hot afternoon for Uppington at 36, Kimberley and Mahikeng at 31, 25 for Johannesburg, and we keep in the mid-20s as we head along the KwaZulu-Natal coast as well as for Bombela, 23 for East London, 24 as we head into George, and Cape Town just shy of 30. Now along the west coast, we're expecting moderate beach conditions for Alexander Bay due to a fresh southeaster. We're forecasting a moderate southwesterly wind for Namaqualand and Longbound, more of a southerly component to that wind as we head towards Lambert's Bay, all with good beach conditions and a 1.5 metres southwesterly swell. In the southwest, a southerly wind is forecast to the Cape Town Atlantic side with a fresh southeaster for False Bay and a moderate easterly wind for Hermanus and Cape Agulhas. In the southwest, we're expecting a 1.5 metre swell and wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. Along the south coast, an easterly wind is forecast for Mossel Bay and Plettenberg Bay with wind speeds of between 20 and 25 kilometres per hour, with a fresh east-northeasterly wind for Port Elizabeth and a fresh easterly wind for Jeffreys Bay, both with moderate beach conditions. And along the south coast, we're expecting a 2-metre swell. Along the east coast, moderate beach conditions are expected for Richards Bay, Durban and the Wild Coast. Good though as we head towards East London with a moderate east-northeasterly wind, more of a southeast as we head towards the Wild Coast and Durban, and a southerly wind for Richards Bay. Along the east coast, we're expecting a 1.5 metre swell on Saturday with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great Saturday.